free hash. Brabi Kabidi. The Kofu D Nana was the Nelson Kofu D star 256 star free hash. Now what Ramnania dead yet? No problem, may fine.
Yeah. I don't see now when you're there, man, no pay. Now you want to say the abandoned there. Yeah, to no other man coming number time no say saying.
Or the uncle Omre no swam,
man coming fan clear with me, but the best I say, baby, on we, let's see all your records, science and data. I the bet you say football. And
also the bet only be pee win, so I was a football service be a chrono, you man.
Me see them in now as a mirror. Me see them, and I'm in that was no pay. Mom caught a quite real phone, yeah, can I say my candidate, me Juma. Yanko, and a very special happy birthday to you, Veronica Mensah. Veronica Mensah, our student nurse, our nursing and midwifery training school. Our Formina, a dancer Formina. Very happy birthday. We wish you the very best of this earth and all that it brings. Have a good one today. Minuanum, almost I am a young. I'm a new Dijuma and Phoebe Brainino. Yamin and I'm not quite so a pigeon. Pigeon home command ye guso a yedi. And eh, Mia Minia or Yunia, young senior. Nana Alexander Abebiu. Sunyai. Oko vetting. Say obey parliamentary candidate for Tyne constituency. Alexander Abebiu. Alex Sunyai and then oyen vetting no. Na Tyne constituency say kwa nsoko DBB Manye. Ni nkura to atwa hwe nyina na ye ka kyerem. Say nyame adoma Alex Oba monto abanama no na monye ni MP na say ya Tyne district ono na division 1 team aba office no akwan development aka okrunum no Alex ba obaka kolobi na de ewom e Tyne district no yen set me aka enra ena Bernard JB Blay nso call the vetting Western North Bia West constituency Debiso lawyer Blay Michel na DC why adwuma yie na menim se Bia West mining nyina Jofa Debiso ni nkrotu aka bom nyina no ombe show ni monya afi na waji seat na amount honorable Bernard JB Blay yankopon ka ho enra ne oye no vet na se no so metei me da wase se wa hye me ni monya wa hye abusuo na ni monya na wa hye wankasa so ho ni monya ejinema akosi se unina mbura parliament in 2025 na metia sin sunti mbura okay me da CP now listen ne wotifi a wafa phone na wani abre a womiemia no pay ene wamia na wamia ni nia no eni sika that's the ultimate key. Yeah, bebrebe ni nyina no eni football is not a recreational sport, it's a money business. Kwaku Inti se uhuni shen say and I'm team the omutimi top players we yo and I Jeff Bob Kasemi obi area na so ho be system na hia and ye kofa won semba se we munchi no
yeah you ama
that's it. Inti I like the academic and measured manner in which my good friend Asaibodu put out the facts and supported it with incidents that reflected on the facts. And it has an all come Manchester City. You all knew that. And it has a no come Manchester City. He was going near the Danny Nadrin.
Sika.
Good. Now Michael Kawi, you know, almost some money Papaska. And it has a they gave his father good money. It is sanity. And then ye wa any. The context behind why Abramovich had to do that. Now the answer that time there was a potential.
I feel no buy what pigeon anymore you are.
It's no mujana no kwami BBC.
Dabi.
Good. But you see, you need to protect the investment. He had investment in France. America for the end Boeing no meboa.
Yes.
And Europe for the end Airbus.
Yes.
Airbus no a German, French, more or less like a multinational European company. Our headquarters name say Toulouse. Last time I called, aeroplane and aeroplane parts, aeronautic parts. They were looking for a stake in that company. Send ye beya. The name for fun on your more KGB no. Bakoba, ebetima tena France and Liechtenstein, Luxembourg. Sorry, at the same time.
Wow.
Into Samoshaya, in his early years, he spent a lot of money into the French football economy.
Yeah.
Peter Cech, Free France.
Yes.
Drogba, Free France. The following year, Essien Free France. Malouda, Free France. He spent a lot of money in that market. Said no more than. But they needed to make a statement in public. Said they are sending money there. No matter me, it is synonymous with every businessman. You need to protect your interest. Carry off the end of the day, ne you woo and then quack. But moment tiase. So your Dagestan. Nancy Kobo World Cup no mun say papa bia on sala ko twa picture ho nsem bebre bi no.
Yes.
Bebre rebel leader na omo good. Abramovich rose out of a group of people who were within the KGB setup. KGB no Russian intelligence. Omo yen mrantie bia omo sorry at the same time. Na Soviet Union ni gu ye no. Na o say omo echiche omumu efiri ho ba bi bebre. No mo ko all over the world. No mo ko hwe kwan a omo befa so a ombetumi ama Russia sika aye adwuma ama oman no outside of the Soviet bloc. Ntimira edrume bi Abramovich ne namfofo no no omo frɛ Leningrad, Kaliningrad, an extension of Russia. Omo the Russia sika wura London mua properties, football, amusement parks ni sa no no. Se na be ya da omo beka so omo twa musika no. UK for no so be ye. Baako oye na dwen se onye de na oman ne pe no. Ono ye friend Skripal omo soma ye de neb agent kogu ne pono kwano anka eku on ne ba no. So these things you are seeing offshoot of what needed to be done to save his friend. Said Abramovich no on board am. Abramovich or Jew origin, Jew.
Yes.
Meboa.
Yes.
Daniel Levy onye Jew.
Yes.
Onye Jew origin for Nibia.
Yeah.
Good. I didn't know Daniel Levy. Oye the chrome ni. Now what sign player? I am the medicals. Anji Makashkala Ajatum. Oma sign omo part. They are can say omo be fax documents nama Tottenham. No more sign omo there. Then unveil the player.
Some passports.
Near the car akofano. We the car near the Ibia. We in the car no.
My God.
Ngolo Conte.
Cooper.
Mini Cooper car ketwan. No more the coffin.
I know the coffee really.
I no more the coffin feel. There is this boy of Yerevan, Armenia, about Russia. He detailed the entire story. Okay, it was that beautiful. He needed to upset Daniel Levy to save his brother because now someone yato. I saw this kind of man. Now they assaulted the Ecos war Makashkala hono because pressure abandoned so all of a sudden. Or this kind of the normal business system numa. Ebe flag is scam. Ntino this kind of share transfer or transfer. Then it is regularized in the market. Na ne yonko nsa kan scam. Na ne oye no atimi dia ye no anya na hoto. It was not like Angie for normal but that normal good players. So they needed to do that to save everybody. And that was done. So that's the situation.
Wow.
Football is a corrupt sport, yes. But Abramovich, may glorify Bonidi. He went out of his way to protect the interests of his friends and people in those kind of businesses. And that's how you do it.
Wow.
Me and why more there's a foreign policy lecture. And in Nimbre. It is a money thing. It's a money issue. It is a money thing. Yes, players no. They need to buy this player so that the team owner could get the money for something.
SOMPA Sports.
It will be a players. You know the here no one no. So this kind of command pana or transfer and answer or for the bag 30 million pounds. Abuja. How? You bet you Abuja system into let's create a loophole.
Then for being far.
Then the transaction. That's it.
For Haji.
Good.
A winner.
William and Samuel Etono, they became pawn on the chessboard. Yeah, you're more trans-Russian politics. Send a bear, crime of Umberto Nakakra, now in Yasundri.
Monty. Zanema wa wine semani ache me pa dia bosom ra now family ansana makona many true of paying for